Hello everyone, we are back with another full self-driving video, and as you guys can see, this is a 10 minutes drive, but later on we're gonna switch the destination to a 30 minutes drive. So it will be a long video, but I will definitely first forward that moment where the car doesn't do anything like, specific. Then I'll just skip that. So don't forget to subscribe and do all those things, like the video and subscribe to our channel, because that really helps. So right now, if you see the GPS in the monitor, we're gonna make a right turn. So the main problem is with this exact location, the car always decides to change the lane at the very last moment. But here he does that too, because there is also a back, there is also another car. So I had to press that acceleration again to tell the car you had to change the lane earlier, baby. I had to do that, otherwise the car will just wait for the very end, and there will be like another car passing from my back, and then the car will not able to change the lane, and that will be a problem then. We'll see something very interesting. So the car in front of us is going slow, so my car decided to change the lane to go faster. But also, when we are in the right lane, there is a car in our left lane. So that's why I turned on that back camera. I don't know if you can see that because my back camera is so dirty. Sorry about the snow. And that what happened is there is a car in our left, and that was very close to my car too, but the car knows the measurement with those camera and stuff like that, the sensors. So the car decided to change the lane and go to that left lane to go faster, which is very, very good. So please let me know in the comment that if you ever face this kind of thing in your FSD. And don't forget to subscribe again, guys. If you guys subscribe, that will be a very good thing for me as a new content creator, and we can build a community both together, and we can discuss in our Discord. Don't forget to go to our Discord in the description and to join. So let's see what the car does after this. So look at my steering wheel. Suddenly the car next to the right to change the lane, but there is a car in our back. I don't know what happened. Like, look, just what is this? Like, I was like, what are you doing? What are you trying to do? Like, let's see this in slow motion, guys. So what the car is trying to do is trying to beat that yellow light probably, and there is a car in our right lane, and that was very close, because if you see the monitor, it was very close, and it was indicating that blue, that car was marked as blue, so the car shouldn't change the lane. But for some reason, I really don't know what the purpose is to trying to change the lane while you can just go straight, because there is no car in front of us. I really don't know what happened there, guys. Please let me know in the comments so that I know what is happening with my FSD. But right now the car changed the lane perfectly to follow the destination. Let's go. So that's the thing I was talking about earlier. So if you see the right car, right, he already changed the lane to make that right turn. But I know this is not the right position to stay. But as a human, if we drive, we always move to the right while we want to make that right turn. So my back, other car from my back can pass, right? But here the car just stayed in the middle and waited until that lane got clear, so all the car passes by, and then my car decided to move. Also, I just want to mention, so when the car make that right turn, he immediately changed 3 lane to come to that all the way left side to get into that highway, which is very impressive because probably previous version FSD can handle that. Also here, if you see, this is a flashing green and red light. The car speed up a little bit when he sees green, then suddenly the red light appears. The car stopped and wait for the green light, and after the green light appears, he proceed with caution. Very, very impressive. This section of the drive is very impressive. I would say that loud and clear. Again, guys, here the car gets a space and merge perfectly. So lovely drive by FSD. If you look closely in my monitor, that there is a car coming from our left, but my car is trying to change the lane. But suddenly he saw that car and he turned off the indicator, and suddenly when that car passes, my car immediately changed the lane. Again, in this situation, the car turned on the indicator and changed the lane to go faster. Very impressive, I would say, because like in a highway, whenever we want to go fast, we always try to stay in the left lane. So in that same case, the car first trying to change the lane, but there was a car in our left lane, then he stopped the indicator. Then again, when that car passes by, he immediately, right away, change the lane, and again change the lane to go all the way to the left lane. Very impressive, Tesla. I would say FSD, you're getting better and better. So that's it, guys. So after a long drive, I would say the car did a pretty good job, other than those two small hiccups. I don't have to take over, but I had to press acceleration. But you don't have to forget about subscribing my channel, because in this channel we're gonna discuss more about FSD. We're gonna do more tests about FSD, and don't again forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Have a wonderful day, and please comment if you watch the full video, so that I'll give you an Amazon gift card of $10. So comment below.